Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the GameSir G7 SE wired controller. A gaming controller built for Xbox and PC players who want precise controls, customizable features, and a smoother competitive gaming experience without spending premium controller money. This controller is designed for gamers who care about responsiveness, comfort, and long-term reliability. With Hall effect sticks and triggers, programmable back buttons, customization software, and Xbox licensing, the GameSir G7 SE aims to deliver pro-level performance at a much more affordable price point. If you want to check out this controller for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and take a look. Right away, the GameSir G7 SE feels familiar in the hands. The layout closely follows the classic Xbox controller design, which makes it comfortable and easy to adjust to, especially if you already play on Xbox consoles regularly. The design looks clean and modern without trying too hard to look flashy. It has a balanced gaming aesthetic that works well for both casual setups and competitive environments. The textured grips also help improve control during longer gaming sessions. One of the biggest highlights here is the Hall effect technology. Unlike traditional analog sticks that can wear down over time and develop stick drift, Hall effect sticks use magnetic sensors for improved durability and accuracy. That means more reliable performance over the long term, which is a major advantage for competitive gamers. The thumbsticks feel smooth and responsive during gameplay. Movements feel accurate, especially in shooters and fast-paced games where precision matters. The triggers also feel quick and consistent, helping improve reaction time in competitive situations. Another useful addition is the pair of programmable back buttons. These allow you to remap controls for quicker actions without taking your thumbs off the analog sticks. Whether you're reloading, crouching, or switching weapons, having those extra inputs can make gameplay feel more efficient. The controller also supports customization through the GameSir Nexus software. You can adjust stick sensitivity, dead zones, trigger settings, vibration intensity, and button mapping. This level of control allows players to fine-tune the controller based on personal preference and different game styles. Build quality feels surprisingly solid for the price range. The controller feels lightweight but durable, and the buttons maintain a responsive feel during gameplay. The overall construction gives it a dependable feel without feeling cheap. Another advantage is the wired connection. While some people prefer wireless controllers, the wired setup helps reduce latency and ensures a stable connection during gaming sessions. For competitive players, that consistency can actually be a benefit. The controller also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it easy to connect a gaming headset directly to the controller for voice chat and audio. In real-world gaming, the G7 SE performs well across multiple genres. It feels responsive in shooters, smooth in racing games, and comfortable for long single-player sessions. The responsive sticks and triggers help the controller feel more precise compared to many standard controllers. Comfort is another area where this controller performs well. The ergonomic shape fits naturally in the hands, and the textured grip helps maintain control during extended gaming sessions. Even after long periods of use, it remains comfortable to hold. One feature many gamers will appreciate is the reduced risk of stick drift over time. Since stick drift is one of the most common controller issues, having Hall effect sensors adds long-term value and reliability. When it comes to value, the GameSir G7 SE competes extremely well in the budget to mid-range controller category. It offers features that are usually found on more expensive Pro controllers, including Hall effect technology, remappable buttons, software customization, and responsive performance. Over time, having a controller that feels responsive, comfortable, and durable can make a major difference in your overall gaming experience. Whether you play casually or competitively, the G7 SE delivers features that genuinely improve usability without making things overly complicated. Overall, the GameSir G7 SE wired controller is a well-rounded option for Xbox and PC gamers who want precision, customization, and long-term reliability at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a controller that combines modern gaming features with solid everyday performance, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.